Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to create a new page in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first you need to log in to your Squarespace account. Then click on this website button below your desired website. Go to Pages and click on this plus icon next to Main Navigation. You can select between multiple types of page and you can go with a blank page. Give your new page a name, for example, work with me, hit enter. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. And this is your new page. To start editing it, click on this edit button to go into the editing mode. And this is how to add a new page in Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.